Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about a new brand. It's new to my channel. And the brand name is Cosmetics 27. Cosmetics 27 is a French brand. Its founder is Michel Everard, and the brand started in 2009, and all the products are made in France. So this is French skincare. And the theme of Cosmetics 27's products is that they try to incorporate a lot of Centella Asiatica into products. Centella Asiatica is a perennial green plant and is well known in Asian countries. It's being used for healing, anti-inflammatory benefits for the skin and for the body. People can actually consume Centella Asiatica. And so that is the theme of Cosmetics 27's products. And today, this is the Advanced Repair Rich Cream. And they call this their Baume 27. It's a nice jar. It's a thickish cream, so I have to use the back of my nail to get it out. Feels quite waxy. Almost feel like you're putting lard on your skin. Yeah, this is the problem I'm getting when I put it on my face. Can you see? It just seems to peel. It's just got this very thick oil in it. First of all, it just peels all over my face. I can use just about any moisturizer on top of my serums and it's fine. But with this product, when I put it on top of my serum, it just peels. It just doesn't sit, doesn't melt into my serums or my skin. And I get this very sticky, oily texture. I'm sorry to say this. This is probably one of the worst moisturizer I have ever used. Mainly because of the way it peels and it rolls. Yeah, it's just so hard to use on your face. Secondly, it's got this very strong scent. It's very strong ointment scent. I use it once and I just can't use it anymore. It's just peeling all my face looks like I've got all this little roll-up peels. So I have a couple of problems with this product. Number one is the texture. I just feel like I'm putting lard or wax onto my face. Number two, it just doesn't get absorbed or melts on top of my serums. It's got a very strong scent, very strong ointment scent. So yeah, I have these three problems with this product. My skin is peeling already. Yeah. Can you see it's peeling already? Few minutes, my skin is peeling already. It's got this terrible peel. It's just not melting or being absorbed into my skin. Can you see the peeling on my skin? Even right now, I need to wash this off before I could carry on with this product review. I have just washed all that moisturizer off. My hand feels so much better now. But let's look at the ingredients. It's got all the ingredients from the Centella Asiatica, Asiaticoside, Medicasolcide, the asiatic acid. It's got apricot kernel oil, niacinamide, lettuce leaf extract, sugar cane extract, orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract, glycerin, water, and so forth. And this product is not cheap. It comes in two sizes. The 30 mils is 225 New Zealand dollars. The 50 mils is 297. So yeah, 50 mils nearly at $300 for moisturizer. And the 30 mil for moisturizer is virtually nothing. And that's $225. Yeah, sorry, Cosmetics 27. I mean, this product not only is expensive, it is so difficult to use. It has quite a strong ointment smell. And really, there are plenty of really excellent, far superior moisturizers out there at a much cheaper price and do a lot more for my skin. I'll put the link below for all my favorite moisturizers and you can check them out. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.